My dear students, ngasi takadul bisna koi ngarang takibagi makha midpoint theorem bi question ama yem question ama lairi aduga question simata bam tungda mathangi chapter da lairi sina areas of parallelograms and triangles haibani ko adugi maroi pa koi facts that matters about the areas of the plan figure haibna aina maru point khara pigani ngasi goina ko aduna koina parakpa tai aduga ahan pada kemoripo question sima tang taksi ko question ahan sigi sina last question of this chapter ni adu che yango question like say ABC is a triangle right angle at C ABC have a say right angle at C oiba dung right triangle amane ko a line through the midpoint M of the hypotenuse AB and a parallel to BC intersects AC at D. Having M haiba AB haiba hypotenuse sigi kanoda ekoi midpoint si phawraga chingba lei che kanada parallel oiba BC sida parallel oiba masi se ekoi sina AC budi bindu do unai sini pirise adu itaragadi so that ulumadi D is the midpoint of AC D sina AC may bindu oigani amasung MD se is perpendicular to AC oigani amasung ahum subadana CM habasiga kana manai MA ga manai amasung half of AB ga manai habasine ko masine khoina ji praman tawgadu se aduna praman tawki mo solution thar se aduga given itoxicon apiba se khoina triangle ABC is a right triangle hexagon right triangle amani right angle at C the right angle oiba angle C the right angle oiba right triangle amani aduga M is the midpoint of AB hypotenuse will be ABC and mayai bindu ni amasung AB gi mayai bindu ni aduga MD habase is parallel to BC sini pyramid condition se ko hojik ekoina to prove praman tawgadabati kari no bu number 1 da D is the midpoint of AC aduga Roman number 2 dana kenobu MD habisa is perpendicular to AC and Roman number 3 na kari hagebu CM na equal to MA na equal to half of AB siga manai habasine ko AB hai basing se koi praman tawgada basing tuni hojik ahan ba praman da ugudul se M na AB gi mayai bindu oiba amasung MD se parallel to BC oiba maramna ekoina converse of midpoint theorem gi matungina D se kana gi mayai bindu oiba to AC gi mayai bindu oiba to ko sidama ahan ba praman phangane then angle AMDA habasiga natragana ADM habasiga angle ABC habasiga managane bakari maramdagi si ani se parallel oinabanina corresponding angle singni adu ACB che hojik 90 degree oiba maramna ADM se 90 degree oiba to 90 degree oitaragadi MD se perpendicular to AC habama praman tawba yaragani ko sira construction ama hapam diko construction hapam gidi se kainu MC is joined so asi samjana gani kari ginubu third condition si prove tongna ba triangle MDA amasung MDC ani si manungda hojik kana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ angle ADM ꯁꯤꯃꯅ MDA ꯁꯤꯃꯅ MDC ꯁꯤꯃꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ 90 degree 90 degree ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ADꯒ DCꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ Dꯁꯦ mid point of AC ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯑꯗ MDꯁꯤ common side ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ yes కి ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ triangle ꯑꯁꯤ congruent ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ congruent ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯔꯗꯤ corresponding sideꯁꯤꯡ CM ꯒ MA ꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ CM ꯒ MA ꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯈꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ M ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯕꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ AB ꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯕꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ half of AB ꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ MCM is equal to MA equal to half of AB 하고도 방금이거든요. 그래서 많이 이렇게 치고 아직 이해는 치고 C부터 좀 달라게 Roman number 1기 그룹다 Roman lagi bu Roman number 1 in triangle ACB 아시고 ACB 시다 since M is the midpoint of AB and MD is parallel to BC. C over maramna. Therefore, by using the converse of midpoint theorem की converse to की मतुंगिना CC से लगा से D is the midpoint of AC way minus में प्रमाण ले जाए मसाई तो अन्य शुभदना since MD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal mo maramna hajik kana managani haibada hajik ekona angle MDA is equal to angle BCA हारिसे बच्चा माने को MDA BCA करी मरम की नोबु अनिसी माने अभी दिसे एकन से corresponding angles हुए बनी को अभी corresponding angles formed by a transversal with two parallel lines are equal है तुम ले को हमरा अनिसी parallel उन्हें सिगी MDA सिगा BCA सिगा corresponding angle में को transversal ना AC नो उसमें तंदा अरे जी but अकोई ना फंगिदी कहीं ना वो angle angle BCA is equal to 90 degree right angle सिगी भनी को अदुना therefore angle MDA मसी 90 degree उस पे है बस ले माना कर लेना मरम अदुना कना MD is perpendicular to AC सिमा प्रूफ तो है and I go check असुमाई ना angle MDA सिना 90 degree वो बता रहा बदी AC दा MD से perpendicular वो है बस में प्रमाण तो रहे अजी क्लास का मुक से रोमान नंबर 3 सीधा न मुक करी है रे in triangle ADM and triangle CDM ani sigi manung sida ko angle ADM is equal to angle CDM se manai karigino bu is 90 degree among the 90 degree manai ko adagi mo MD se is equal to MD si karigino common side ne ko common side where adagi mo amana angle sorry AD is equal to CD siga manai kari maram ki nobu since D is the midpoint of side AC si ujiba maram na therefore by SAS ki matung ina hamra SAS congruence ki matung ina aikoina kanaga mana gebu se triangle ADM siga congruent to triangle CDM siga congruent oinare hadi ani si congruent oinare badi muthak sikha muthak ko tachi muthalaga khai thake congruent oinare badi koi magi corresponding parts sing therefore CM siga kanaga manare AM siga manare ko sina relation 1 ni na loro se MA na ichi ko MA equal to CM hydra karigino se CP CT abadi corresponding parts of congruent triangles habani ko adodi again since M is the midpoint of AB ki maya bindu maram na MA is equal to kaya manai half of AB ka mana ro draw AB ki tangkai mana ro draw in relation to 1 hairo 1 amasung 2 compare to ro ani sigi from 1 and 2 we get ekon kari panga aji CM simaga MA ga manai CM is equal to MA ga manai MA ga kana manai half of AB ga manai adi dikoi hence proof apna require oriba often require oriba oriba praman to bodu bo often phone mani ko aduna smai to dana ka se set loi ko si matang sida nakogi chapter simagi angka aroiba oire ko hojik se makhagi mathangi chapter ki facts animators khara dum inana tawsi ko si lor mitungda hojik yo mapan suba chapter da tamakatu se areas of parallelograms and the triangles habani masigi maramda some facts that matter about areas of plane figures habani plane figures singi maramda area singi plane figures singi area ki maramda naina bata aikona some facts that matter about areas of plane figure haina ina the point nipan irapi dise masi khangengadabani masi ga ta haite mo two congruent figures have equal areas congruent whenever tarabadi figure ani se area managani habani ko adagi a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal areas parallelogram amagi diagonal amana masibu manaba area manaba triangle ani thun khaidwi heba adagi parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area habadi base ama khakada सब मानब बेसता पैरेलल अनि की मरक सेंबा पैरेललोग्राम सिंचे एरिया मानगनी हैबनी को adagi triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area simasu kari hai nobu base ama kakada parallel ani ki marakta semba triangle ani si area managani hai ko area of a parallelogram putopai formula se base into magi corresponding height base to side mari jo ki oiningmong oibe yai madu pa chana ba height to adu puri naraga area of a parallelogram phangani the area of a triangle has the half base into all tissue me koi hana khangma bo phamne adagi median triangle amgi median khang ko median se bhat tek samadagi mayong na ba side to ki mayai bindu du ga samjina du sing balai bo kon median kawi median se a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area haibagi arthadi triangle amagi median na masibu manaba area manaba triangle ani thong khaidu hebe ko the diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into four triangles of equal area. Haibagi arthana kainubu parallelogram amagi diagonal singdong aduna parallelogram tubu area manaba triangle mari thong khaidokani haibako. Project hairibu matak topi ki ba wapum sing duga mari lainana not therapy ko masida and that is the part of the plane closed by a simple closed figure is called a planar region. Habiti akang ba some by koi plane figure se machine koi sil le jaga sibu ko na kai ko ge bu planar region ani ka we ko the measure of a planar region is called its area. Habiti planar region sigi measure hadi ma ge chawbo pak chawbo se masibu ma ge area ka we ko the two figures are called congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. Habidi congruent oinaba figure ani lektarabadi two figures are called congruent we have because congruent oinaba high if they have the same shape mong chap manaraba aduga same size hadi chaw chap manataragadi madu congruent we hagani aduga mari subada if two plane figures are congruent with they have equal areas habdi karigumba plane figure ani se congruent oinaba tarbati makoi ge they have equal areas makoi area managane ba adu manga subudunum kare hare two plane figures having equal areas need not to be congruent hadi congruent oinarabadi equal area lai hai taragasu equal area lai ba plane figure ani se congruent oibani haibagi दरकार ओइदेबको हाइबदि ओइदबसु यायबको हमरा साइबा पिरिबा मागी फैक्ट्स एंड मैटर्स सिंग अदुगा सिगी कैनोसिंग कोइ नोट सिंगसे मासि खंगनबा पारो अदुगा मथंगदा हाइबा चैप्टर सिगी अंक कोट तापसिको अदु मथंग मथंग थियरम गा यावरिको अदु के लेट अस फिनिश फॉर टुडे